Yebom nyina kwa babiem emfa emra bedwam so on Adom TV live on DSTV channel 280 Go TV channel 199 lenti yasa to aso ewo on bedwam so ye ka say on a seat of March 2025 Ghana fa hodi eti di Ghana aduane a nipa dodo akasa age tuma emu dodo na edi fufu eti be ka ho ewo multimedia animu a okokomlemle na fo ayowa ebedi fufu fish nyina woso akokon so woso enam bia pebia be di free ne yemfa nkoso enkaka ehomom se ye nipa baako ye oman baako ye ni so ade mu se Ghana be fa ne tumapa e de efra medin de akwasi insia free sabre kopin se no nkro be boapa onsema adwenu enum ye be di nkomokese enura ena mampani His Excellency John Dramani Mahama in the first State of the Nation address after his comeback to Edja Ghana ye tibia the former president His Excellency Nana Adom Akufo-Addo edijano any afie womi baby opesu opeje omano kokodru. So that was the picture and no manpanigina Ghana mamraso kokasa kire Ghana for through your parliamentarians. Baiba ko any interest wo the fishery sector. Send your fishery sector no etie. Ye yinam ewo man Ghana, ye coastal areas doors. And nam do send ye crowded by ye mem. Dear the money difficult say bet me akasa yinam a ebeso yankasa so. Ye bet me a jai and namwa ye crowded free performance so eba ana. How can this be handled? So quickly call Obekaya, the last State of the Nation address of His Excellency Nana Adom Akufo-Addo can be about the fishery sector. Send Ojan Honum at the FI President Nana Adom Akufo-Addo on his last State of the Nation address.
Significantly boosted the incomes of our fisher folk and contributed to the sustainability of our marine resources. We have also enforced measures to combat illegal, unreported, and unregulated fishing, protecting our marine biodiversity for future generations, and proving the doubting Thomas wrong about our commitment to transforming the fisheries industry.
That was former President Nana Adom Akufo-Addo. So quickly, President Mahama so any the fishing industry.
Mr. Speaker, also in the fisheries sector, we implement strategic interventions to enhance productivity and sustainability. Key among these initiatives is the continued enforcement of measures to curb illegal, unreported, and unregulated fishing, which threaten our marine biodiversity and the livelihoods of our hard-working fisher folk. We have intensified surveillance and monitoring operations, bolstered by the deployment of modern technology and strengthened collaboration with our key stakeholders. In the last month, we have expanded the supply of subsidized premixed fuel to support artisanal and industrial fishers, ensuring affordability and availability. We'll also invest further in modern fish landing sites and cold storage facilities to improve post-harvest handling and thereby reduce losses and enhance the quality of our fish products. Aquaculture development is a key focus of our administration. We'll provide financial and technical support, especially to young fish farmers, increasing fish production and reducing our dependence on fish imports. To increase the value addition in this sector, we'll encourage the establishment of fish processing facilities, create more jobs, and boost exports. Our commitment to supporting women in the fisheries sector remains steadfast as we implement the programs to empower female fish processors and traders with financial capital and capacity building initiatives. While we work hard to fix the economy and provide jobs in all sectors, including agribusiness, one of the biggest crises we face in this country is youth unemployment.
As it thus, Mampani, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Yasati Tone Radio, that the Minister Mampani Jumedi National Sir, Honorable Emelia Arthur, also made the true state of the Ministry of Fisheries and Aquaculture. Honorable Cordia,
Adom.
Yedanyamia.
Pocho Wasos.
Unyinida.
the me who. Oh yeah, Adom.
Ministry to say.
Nyame na Adom. Oye edwumayefo no wo yaze. Wo yaze. Obi arebo no homozen.
Okay. What do you say? What do 1 month?
Pocho aha da pene baasa.
Okay, 3 weeks minutes.
Pocho nyo.
Wow. Eh the man as much as watch chini emu kakra.
Edwuma de we nya za ma na na ode ye na ye ni ye. Ye no mampanyin John Dramani Mahama. Abon hina akokọ de nya agru bi na ye bezi. Nti obia rokoto no kana asem bobo de no ane at once. Pen na ihe na ye rekọ. Nti obia ne mpanyimfo yi ho no bia na mu ayere ye edwuma no to dem a ya tina position mo be ya mfem ohonye. There's work to be done and it has to be done, so we are doing it.
Eti oba enkrata be na dija awochi.
Enkrata ho. What ye bi? Janyimpa be ye bi wan ye ni nyina. Nti kakra mobotun no na emom edwuma wo ho. Edwuma wo ho ankasa. Se ya ka efere edwuma Ghana ha hen efere edwuma no ana enam ho edwuma no. Ogomu ahoro titru ankase ebien.
Okay.
Ma potokase mo friend no capture fisheries in a culture fisheries. Inti capture nenye enam no ho da do na ekochin.
Okay.
Na culture ne ye ono na aquaculture film no. Through some environmental circumstances, grow fish,
okay.
Scientific methods and things, you grow fish. Na say yefa capture fisheries no ye enam no wo hoda do na ekwa kochina. Ono so ye wonumu ahoro ebien titiri ebien. Onye marine fisheries ye kopo ye fere adwuma wo epodo. Ina inland fisheries. Only a freshwater fishing, only a Volta Lake. Na the tributaries, Volta Lake no on man baby or dinna ukrono dos waterton. No demo lakes and river bodies na zina wo Panamu womono only inland fisheries. Na Ghana hano say yehwe hen efere adwuma na nam ho adwuma na ya bo mozen ana yetada ye de enwa hwe marine fisheries epo anodze no inland fisheries di ye nheda nhwe hon kra ye enwa nheda nko ho enti eho ni isinto bia afi ye enwa beze ekiri na ya aboa inland fisheries no wotumi enam tilapia kura osun warsno o wonam ahubi catfish na akubi ma fufuru water di fufuru pa no wode ye nkwan dede akwa ebi na no ho keka ho no oyiyi fi Volta Lake no ma enya asam kakraba but ode yetum na ye boa na mboa koho ina afi yeba aquaculture na or culture fisheries na eho no yem or massive potential ma edwuma mrentemba na nketesi ma benya edwuma ye na enam dodo ode ye hia yezi wo mangana no so yensa aka na ode sikaso aba omanum enti dem hia papa omampanyin His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Canada no yedi enwa betre aquaculture no do pa ne sentinye de ye wenam dudu bi owo de yetum na hia omanga na emu ha ye produce na yezi na yetum so toni bi wa abrochiri no nya mfaso ma hen de menyim no hia no nyimpa hen apomuzin no ndama ye hia ye dza ye benya apomuzin no brofo achichem ebinyi carbohydrates etwo no na mama bese dekon na fufuru na no kaka ho na he o no wo ma odze manyimpadua no but ekuru bi so ka ho bi ka ho na ekuru bi oka ho ohia so pa ma nyimpadua no brofo ka sem no friend protein na protein ma na mmehwe ne fante anane twi nti on na worhwe hen obi nyim protein ni twi anane fante ye wi a won kan jem nyo na protein no yenya wo ediban ndema ahuru
okay
beans mahem protein chefua mahem protein nentwinam aponchenam akokonam mahem protein ina nsum nam so meka nsum nam aka ya sembi nsum nam so o mahen protein na oman Ghana fo nyina no hene protein na ye hia ma wa mahen honam ahozen no se me fande oye oha ne mu nchichemu edusia fi nsum nam pe
16%. 60%.
Yes.
Wow.
Fi nsum nam. Enti da ye ho be yezen na yetumi aye adwuma. Na ye papa no 24-hour economy yetumi aye bi. Na wa aboa. Mmoframa no wo school kɔ. We nya ahozen na wo dza akɔ school de suade. Wetumi abaye omani ye no. Nsum nam plays a critical role. Ni de minti ina omampanyin John Mahama wa hyem de menye mametum maye biara na hen enam ho nhyehyɛ no wa akoye na wa aboa oman Ghana hen apomuzin na hen sikasam ina adwumaye mamrentie na nkatisi.
Okay, so I hope say maybe about na ekire boko o how can say bia shede ni sector hono na how to implement some policies.
Brother Mpocho, why there you were baby obo ball wo kra friend agropramaso na polo oko na polo ekiki ball dama eme
okay
na mena na aka ball no morugba akoshe goal
okay
polo ye den odanda no ho de bramo ho menhwe ho de any da ye papa oka state of the nation's address or try hen meeting I may hear headlines you go he. Na me who krubi wa how ayesro. The thing is this: what can state of the nation's address? Ebeka che on manfo most ma on mano ote ne tibia na ewia na achre ma woso ebeye. Inti on man ma ye beto no. Ono na ene da ye papa His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Okay. No okay so oya asem bia waka kire hen na pamfo wo piem da do na ne do beka wa aboa no there yen lament ye nya adage omanga na nye adage wa ma ye mfia nan pe Ghana fo nyim de ye betumaye enti na woto abama hen de ye mbeye enti ye nde bobo de na ye bebeto ne no os de na not neso we will fix it ye be ye dwuma enti ono na me focus on. Enti ma mebetu yo multi de no ye be ye adwuma mebetu ndema
okay
ebi anche obetu mu aye ni differently nimpa no ho no o pass in fact Ghana fu no o pass ball no what the mam papa John Mahama no so hwema no mama cross into cross no the mam no musu mesom.
But will you be interested, say, Nipa no one son or along the line, we're engaging on how to maybe better some of the decisions?
Oh, definitely. Definitely, if the need requires. If it is a necessary step to take, why not? But that's also why yewo aban edwumayefo ewo abanum chief director no wo no ona another one wo
okay
edwumayefo no directors ni bebre ho another one wo enti bibi nyina mentasa oba be tremase oba explain day na sentinti a ye ni day anana minister no ho no pedo ye ni day no wa chechemu sebe dem make dem nyini day agreements misimu acher nti mitumu kankan da mani bia wo chechemu bia na mehu de still anka wo fane day moment obeboa Ghana for sen bebia wo de fair nti ye nhwe de betum ya dan na ebi so ho a mo ye no kwandra anyi nonde yantu ado ene dara krapo menye obi hye ya project bi a na ministry ne shaase no yedi hu nkomo de se yebetumi ahwe na ya danda na enyu ado kakra na ya ahwe ma obeye mfaso ama oman Ghana na oman Ghana fo a woto aba bebre dam de ma hwe na de ebisi da ma chere pa wonkodi wonkonu won ho de woto about them was ma hwe nti ya bade ye be yedwuma ye be
Areba as part of my electionary campaign na mo kan was na say grounds was aboso as close seasons obeyi artisanal ayi for na from so mo de kan no baby mo so cause we have about close to 3 million artisans in this sector because who you mo fi ni agya omo within close season e wo ye poso a then na akwa say ye konso ye gina ba bi ye da so gina
potro mat me da ase on na work them met one ase and there's a whole scientific community Oya University for civil society for na hina yeshia yedi dem nkomo here na asemara there close season is a management measure in fisheries. Okay. But that is not the only management measure. Nti yasem ni pototemiye yo.
Okay.
Yasem ni there. So eba marine fisheries epodo efere dwuma na. Yewo numu ahore baasa. Onu ye idua ahiamafu na wodi outboard motorcorp no. Canoes with outboard motors. There was semi-industrial, and dua hiama for no artisanal. Now there was semi-industrial. And when I outboard motor, no wadoko, or engine, or propel one boat, no wadoko. What our friend one inshore for. Now there was industrial fishing,
commercial ones,
trawlers, no ankasino tuna for no. Okay. So this is what we are saying. For semi-industrial, in the industrial, no, we will maintain the closed season.
Okay.
But for the artisanal fishes, oye India, ahama funa wada outboard motor kono. Afi 2025 a pe. Yan tupum emahon. Inshishayo ohonyi. In fact, the reason why the menyim me fimpoano. What to puno mo bosom krona. Ohia na reho. Otuano. You have no idea. Onya sam kakraba.
That 1 month.
1 month no. You know, all they do is fishing. So they go to fish, they bring fish, they get some to eat, they sell. They don't know how to do anything else. And then unfortunately, a very bad saving culture. Like, say most of my hen farmers, cocoa farmers, for example, season about was kapa.
Sure.
What the name na ye brick and mortar. This is the number then we weren't busy for more. Cocoa farmers won't find trouble. Me ban the boko. Them also, and it's not only them. I mean, generally, no, here saving culture in Shadanya as a people. And see, here woman ye no, but say a ba 1 month na one couple no, on ye easy. And if you may, you probably know the Mpano Tade wo nimpa bebre dom bebre na say hama no ba on na would depend on hama krona wa ba no or ye bebre nimpa bebre. Okay. Into them 1 month na one couple no. Ohia na hocher. Ma aban ye enye de 1 month na one couple no obama hon relief items e mo na ngwa. Ehu e mo na ngwa bail order hwa ehu. Nanso fishermen ankasa na wo deserve e mo na ngwa no. Onsanka.
Oh, asemela.
Inyo.
Bail da hon.
Inyo. E mo na ngwa no.
Oh, how?
Inyo.
Beze.
Oh, my young komodo. Onya sam kakraba.
But also one saka man.
One sanka. And then
but this is serious.
And then most ma ye bibia partisan.
Yeah.
Nti eyinyi onya eyinyi obenya you know all those things. Now, this is what we are saying. Because of them 1 month ahokyere no. So we boy puna. Pressure what do call to epono no. In all the illegal fishing methods no, what do call times 100. So the gains you've made in that 1 month, within the first week, 2 weeks, maximum 1 month in a boy puno, is all gone. It's all gone. So this is what we are saying. And I like to be very clear and emphatic. Indria ahiama funa wadi outboard motor kopono. Canoe no. Here Papa John Mahama say afi 2025 nkutenze. Ya ntu pumu mahon. Ne da mintu mo bia expect dire mo na ngwa bia re ba bia. E mo na ngwa bia re nko bia because ya ntu pumu mahon. Ne mom ndema wonsha ne nsunyi. Number 1. Here nananom panyimfo no feri nyekwaja na wodi feri adwuma bebo ade no. Ade a wo frɛ no management measure no what ase. They understood it. That is why no wo edakra won fa nkopodo.
Okay.
Enti da me da benada na wo tusu wo de mo nkopo no. Ye Papa John Mahama say osre afarefo nyinara. Na chief fisherman no. This is a traditional regulation. It's not government.
Okay.
And it is the chief fisherman na ni be so for no. Ohon wo betum na wa enforce. Into osran hon. The me dabnada kro no management measure no hon anka satete for the bay no wo ma ye ndido. Into dabnada no wonje pon no ho.
And every week be.
It's every Tuesday.
Every Tuesday.
Every Tuesday. Ono na ye nyini between. The benada one couple.
Is it every Tuesday within
the whole year?
The whole year.
The whole year. My ya between. So feri nyi penyin bi retain mon kran ho himfo
let's say basically about 52 days within the year.
Okay, I'm me calculate no me masin ye. Me calculate I miss 48. I take it that 4 Tuesdays a month.
Okay, yeah.
Times 12.
Okay.
And so
48 days.
One couple. In fact, me call baby, I think our injury is yana. Inyo. Oh, me kano na waka chem de oh nankasa po afaredom nankasa po ze kwesida aka ho. Ho why de kwesida so one couple.
Ti obi Tuesday and Sunday.
That is what they told me.
So we bet me 96 days.
Thank you very much.
Which is far more than the 30 days.
Thank you very much. So one, of course, the dynamics of the time my papa normally Tuesday 1 day in a no is different today. Okay. But so yes. Inti ebenada dano yesre hon ankasa I me kwa pro menye fisherman no ferefo no yet na ho na yeridi da mon komo inti me kan me bi so ho do obetum waye a o se nya oye be ye dodo won tupum na me anyi da ebenada me ye nkopo da me ye nananom kan na ye betum yaye na apofohemfo no so rekada me shi apofohemfo so nkoten wo me office na wo rekada na say most me wi asaye no enka no na se pofonyi de nana si fom de feri nyi menye de ya otei ba say se hu most me wi ase waye no ya na aswodin kakra bem nti ne da menti no ye retwen sanyame ya adom na ye yi he DCE fo na ina ministry na Ministry of Local Government ya ye kro na ya ama DCE fo no nye chief fisherman no na ne leadership no wa go through an arrangement district assemblies no betum the bylaw aba to support the traditional regulation of no fishing on Tuesdays. Okay. So echo inland onso honda bono nya ebenada omdo ye da for Friday ye oda na ifida onso ye. Now coming back to close season and the conditions. Yeah. So condition number 1, onye de hen fair dom no ebenada da kro na wo se won kopo no wo de be ye dwuma. Condition number 2, yeah, okay, now yesterday, this year 2025 in a year shazi.
Okay.
2020 condition number 2. Me Papa John Mahama say, ye catch her for a dom now. There, In the born bi na yokodo we podo no, was the dynamite, was the carbide, was the DDT, was the omo, was the aletesemina, ina nzama okaka ho a was the kopo no. Osre hwan. Ono rentu pumu ma hwan. Nsa kru gwere yi na yisu gwere yi. Ono ntu pumu ma hwan ni. Ohon so da menze ye bon no. Wonjai we podo. Na ehun de eja abofra ya afra bon a etia no kor obeje kakra obesna ye biom na atia ne biom kakra na we ejai. Ente faredom kakra esra hwan dynamite no. Ina omo no wodo kopo no. Ina carbide no wonjai. Na yon no pe brother ye mesi afuna wo ho nam no so no so wo ho nam ni wi a o wedru bi a wo de hye nam no ama wa acher you know they keep it for long na chi wa cotton ama wa acher ono so ye papa joma amas men kan kire ho do pa ho ncho wonje na ono so de yere ba horeba doctor de ba asa onye de os de yen scientific community no na Ministry of Fisheries ye wo a whole commission, fisheries commissioner, or a technical arm of the ministry. When you rough, Professor this, Doctor this, Marine Director Biodaho, what I've been there when you no, and the ministry and the Fisheries Commission actually partners with a University of Ghana, one school, the Science on Fisheries, Cape Coast University, and Nonkakaho. So what we are saying is this. Closed season is a management measure. Let's explore closed area as we move to fully implement marine protected areas.
But what you say, honorable, we so better also, but the challenges also by none of the technocrats in Nigeria will be able to and yes, our technocrats here na a two honorable how commission for my days 1 month close season by. So why are they now telling us that yenye closed?
No, they are not telling us. We are saying.
But you want to propose an
yes, and then giving them.
And I'm going to say a feasible vis-a-vis the monthly close season.
Yes, and it's not only them; it's a whole group of stakeholders.
Okay.
Yes.
A performance account.
No. Fishermen can ho, civil society can ho, scientific organizations can ho.
Are we running away from it because you share a Giannia a bind the best supporting?
No, that's not it.
And I say if he said the 1 month close season, no, not cry.
So if you are listening to me,
okay,
Mr. Day, 1 month close season no, is one of the management measures.
Okay.
In the fisheries sector. Okay, but that's not the only management measure. Here, Nananum Kra had management measures of not going to fishing one day, but there are other issues that is affect. In fact, the reason for the close season as a management measure is because of depletion of fish stock.
Yeah.
Then namnoresa, but namnoresa no, and yet there to punumu no obema wa solve them and namnoresa the problem, and namnoresa no. Many reasons. Did it in Adna what the corpono can home. Galamsey no.
Okay.
Galamsey no. Mercury no. In the Abona wire or Galamsey no mono. At the end of the day, all flows into the rivers that flow into the sea. Is affecting fish stock. In fact, it's killing traditional fish species.
Okay.
So there are many issues. So don't just like take one and latch on it. And there are socio-economic ramifications for the close season that are dire, that at the end of the day, might be even more dangerous for your country, for your people. That is why we have 39-year-old women who are great-grandmothers already.
Nigeria, Benin, Moyebio.
I know. So I've met with, if you can let me like go through the gamut of things, and I'll tell you, I've met with the FCWC. That is the FCWC. Gulf of the fisheries something the Gulf. So it's Ghana, Nigeria, Benin, Togo, and another country that are members of this. I've met them. I've told them our position, that this is our position. We are not saying we are doing away with the close season for artisanal forever. We are saying that for this year, 2025, We are not doing closed season for artisanal fishers, and these are the conditions. And I didn't finish going through the conditions. So condition number 1, observing traditional management measure of dakor 1 couple. Number 2, you see, your fisheries mbra. On couple no, werubudo.
Okay.
There are 2 ways mbra ne be yedwuma. Compliance. Wa mbra de mamunko, mami mfa diditi nkopo. Ma mezi do mfa diditi nkopo da. Ekoso wo ho wa mbra de mami mfa diditi nkopo do. Ba me de bako chide obia aboa enforce ansa na meza yedwuma. Okay. Until yesterday ma won fa nkopo bio. Okay. Yesterday one share closed areas. Closed areas no. Iye there and hwetwem kakra ma kan no. Also western region ye pono do. Especially around Cape 3 hono. Na Cape 3 points no. Na we friend spawning grounds. Na enam no wo call da na wo. Enti science for no one says here one cordon here worry here.
Okay.
One hwem. Enti say hu dey establish dam pa around Cape 3 points where spawning areas, then that becomes a closed area.
Okay.
It's obe couple. Name mama ha won ko ho.
And be all year round and I say be specifically for a certain period.
There's a specific time in the year walk rest wo ho, walk wo ho.
Okay.
And the scientific people know it. So we will determine that and that we will explore it. Then the other one is the whole marine protected area.
I mean Cape 3 point and I say, are we saying say from now no? You're close to us more beyond.
You are not listening, I rent here. Miss Day. Research or what the Wama can chair there. Here in Western region, a punano wankono. And around Cape 3 points hono. Also a namno hon, or friend of fisheries for no woko school no. Also a friend of spawning grounds. A ho in a namno messia for no wokoda.
Okay.
Na wo eko abrochi mema wotum woye enti hien science for no won kodo sesi na won hwehwem de ampa de dem research now mbibi woye no now what's it around Cape 3 points your spawning grounds no or your na yen hwehwe say you confirm do ye ho a instead of closing the whole season we can also have closed areas na yakede dem area ha busumu krominim period no say July or so August or says ehho na enam no woko dana wo no ehho no enkopo wo ho ebetuma akobe bia but ehoze enko is a point I'm making.
Okay.
As part of or as we also begin to fully implement the marine protected areas. Yaka marine protected areas or today ba asasi do India forest land forest. Your forest reserves, forest protected areas.
Yeah.
Obi ankom, what time I will be mekum, ekum so etwa dua kra or de dua bi. Na yin de yen sheda mfa yen adwuma wo man Ghana ha. In the fishery sector so no we pono do no. Ye wodam, ye wo marine protected areas. No ye bibia we di hu dwuma ankwa kopim baby a ye be enforce. The other thing is enforcement. So yes yen to pumu ma hon. Not that all day strengthen here forest fisheries enforcement unit FEU. Now ye strengthen one no to na why enforcement no. Into milk around it na me one nam. Milk na match fishermen a day. The me busuanfo ye ho fisheries enforcement unit no. They comprise Navy people, Marine Police, na nonga ka ho. Wobe nantu nsu na no. Wa hwede abrade na orokodo. Wobe kopono do. Wa make sure there ndi ye boni bia renkodo. Wonsa so uma, wonu bedi dem wose, dem ofata. In fact, any da ye chinkrofo bi. Ye gudu aye ye nhwehwem. Bibi offer cycle transshipment. What's we twem nanso any da yenya tip off ma Central Regional Police follow ya ma kwasesa nkrofo na transshipment happen.
Yeah.
Na the means the men who hina hia de ye be ye hu bibi. In fact all there ye ka sika nyi ho ba ye hwe. Say ye benye sika na ya to patrol boat.
Okay.
Amagana Navy no da akoposoro ho because ndama kodopa wo posoro ho. Na I enforce some of these things. But uncle, I do crow here pine that papa bodo. Ono ye yellow card EU, European Union, order to Ghana, hen fisheries do. Or friend illegal, unreported, and unregulated fishing. In the year, been all no 3 fleets na ye woni hina. No we commit in them all to them. Or yeah, industrial, semi-industrial, na artisanal. Because artisanal for doors into the air, we ye did go home per word today. Yamohon will commit to bonani hina debi. Or the dasru hina. Need the minty 2021. Na European Union, woma hen yellow card. Say ama 2021 na menjina ho bebia. And say ama na ma beye banu different. Emi na wa beto me na do de midi ho dwuma. Dwumedini bi na ono mom do me bo former abana we betwemu kwa wa abado wo da wo ye wo ho. Na ode yesesa hen fisheries mrani nyina. Na wotu ho anamor wo ye ya anko by one pass. Into ode ye sha asefoforo. In our face, so them in the bonny amabodo did it na nonka kan ho hina no or dey hwe na ye in enforcement ebusuafo we team sa wambwam na wambwa Ghana na ya lift yellow card na obama hen red card ye what time period or dey lift yellow card na ye mo what dey ye no na wa lift yellow card and obama hen red card what my hen red card na no hunsunsun ado ni binye dey hen nam bia anyi Ghana ha obeko European Union war market. Okay. Meanwhile no, here na mo fi Ghana ha ko European Union market no. On my hand over $400 million
every year.
Yes.
Eti almost say your bonne and they say dear no say imprint me a year to get ourselves from this yellow card. One ni there you be make sure that you best sign here no current Fisheries Act 625 no you best sign now reflect more modern ways of addressing illegalities. Okay.
Number 2 you be jay illegalities na nkasa so
like say the carbon near the day
enyo number 3 or there vessels ankese no or there nya ofre no vessel monitoring systems in a cross EMS electronic monitoring system. Now, ono hen vessel ankase for no JITA Ghana Industrial Tuna Association. They are willing and ready to work with government to make sure that that happens. Okay. That we have the tracking systems on the vessels. In fact, they have even contributed some money already towards it. Na yenye US aban na yenye hono ye na eja eja Trump we no dey fiminti mana ye hwehwe. Unfortunately so na wonyim de omanis kasama say say ametwan ma ato force na obeyam na mehu alamora metutu na ye sum na ya ye ndema ne bi.
So before that yan hwe uba yetimi ebiedu a kyerɛw enam wo ede free emem kɔ amamone vis-a-vis near your credit free amonone eba yemem. It is a home contribute say.
Enti eda me hu de san na me ministry no mara kuriara or de mehwema. You see the fisheries ministry no ebe wadwin de osa. Yeah. And osa so because agencies under the ministry ye tupe. Fisheries Commission, technical professor this Dr. that. In a premix. Okay. Oh, they do premix and common. In a National Premix Secretariat. Those are the only 2 agencies under the Ministry of Fisheries. And answer na Papa John Mahama dash them there. Me make sure they metal the Blue Economy Commission. Yeah. Blue Economy.
The Blue Economy.
Yes. My main answer question you be the home come up. Blue Economy Commission. Only you be the mon come no. Into agencies and the Fisheries Ministry, or ye be any pair. But the stakeholders in the Ministries Commission also send who create na one stakeholder group no more domino Obor. And when issues no so. Oh yeah, ambodai.
Na ba wo shia manoma.
Me shia manoma pa. Apa. Anoma, me chia wana pe. Enyam na me de be yo. Na no munsam no hia makor.
Okay.
But it's so interesting engaging with them. You know, I love it. I think this is about like the best job I have ever done or gotten to do with my life and expertise.
Yeah.
Coming back to, you know, Intino.
Our import and export
no.
Yeah.
Intino, utemiyeyo.
Okay.
Oh, then I make a sure there. Your protein requirements, and 60% is from fish.
Yeah.
Nti ode yetum so yenya enam no dodo no ewo Ghana ha yankasa se yetum produce wo Ghana ha dodo a yehia na yetum produce wo Ghana ha from apple ina insu lakes no. But yentum there's a shortfall na yehia enam no so there's a shortfall, so the shortfall is made up by the imports that come in. And that's also a whole business. Oma no sikaso. Nti yedenam fi ha kwa abrochira yenye sika. Na enam so bahaso a one yenye sika through taxes na adeno. But two, or complement the shortage of enam.
Okay.
Yen enyido ade hun nye de yebetumi aye nanka ehenankasa enam dodo a yehia de yebezi wo Ghana ha no. Yetum na ye produce wa hantina ye aquaculture so no. Into aquaculture so bebem na we augment the production of fish. Demino fish importation no obeko foam.
It for now importation e bro ni edua o ye memu ana.
Bro, but also I don't have the figures offhand, but also pa and on super we be home. Fish importers no friend hon bulk importers, fish bulk importers as of Ghana, something like that.
Yeah.
I want to put your bets now. No, also why sabi dodo na ye sabi ahoho wo invest wo sika wa ha. No also what do we hear some aba the taxes no was sure dodo.
Taxes on their
imports no or sure dodo. Na nze maybe so we hear same as Jita Fonos, was of baby fish stores, no longer can in some way or they but also the taxes no ISN no na obia so different agencies so obia charge and don't know.
Okay.
Into afi no as no baby order offer no order offer ports no bana abanenwe tuem na we tua taxes no. Otwa fa ho.
Okay, nti we the official duties na wo import in the or special taxes be
on maybe I was
because of the agencies now e share mass
it means one fa or one asemi mbra one fa wo krata mbra
okay
na me mfa nkoto me brother ato force nnyim na ye nhwe de betumi aye bibi wo ho a in the sense that ye hia enam no na ye easy
okay anyway because maybe say because me aka sanso me coastal
hey aka ho
Minister, foreign fish na ye free be say Abidjan na dodo na ebi ni Ghana na
dem enam na of oya mackerel bia
yeah
ebi wo Ghana but oya asemo because of illegal indemnity there's fish depletion, stock depletion will affect even a nama on a meka earlier no galam saying as no oruku here traditional some of the traditional fish species nankasa so oruku but also because the enami ye enama sabi or ye people's fish no bonyes them but o wan hodin so pa we madkunta mu hu do wan hodin means we are say hu nan say na what's there abedi wo fe abedi cholesterol na no nka hu bi into what's me a borderline nti mobeya me balance enama minzi mintandi ye poku mackerel ya Ghana for your friend salmon
okay
eban
yeah
sa no honye enama ahodi wo mu pa wo fish oil ne papa
okay
nansi aso na mi hu de enam nkakrama no ebanam bana no nkaka ho no ono what's ono na omega 3 fish oil
yeah
na adwene menam ni tiri mu no ho na dam ade no owo powerhouse
yeah
enti na yene moframa ho na eziban no wo dry ebana wo ju de frame de ma ho ono o ma ho na ho enti ode yetum balance ade ni ye scientifically na bibia na ye na ye hu ye but at masa ono nti na he no vessels and kasankese no trawlers no kopono da wo controllers na so eba na enamemba ni hina na ya na we tu egu na no kaka ho ye nyi ho no ka ho asem
okay
because so hia him
yeah eti o sam na bi wo Ghana
enyo
wow ne bi wo de
oh
uko marketer
yes
in
fact say uncle for pay
say omo 20
Abidjan,
plus
no?
yes
San Ghana
sure
I don't know why mehwehwem minyi madkrum cha wo pay Abidjan no San Ghana
the amount is here say enumu de chain local salmon
no do also son
yes oh say ne so no kra de ne nyina local salmon obetimi anya 20 plus obetimi anya 25 plus same as the Abidjan air foreign salmon but my issue is say obi o hanom de there may be or say me no ekọ eno for example obi o ekọ store bi abeka kro say so fa foreign friend Abidjan salmon edu no fa local boxes be enumu a edu no betimi asana afa no waton local be semienu
mehwehwem na ebi a oye hensu bansu de ya tapen them ofia abrochiri sene ha ya di su bia but I'll find out and the men organized bulk importers are making was some cry will be raising
okay
it's precisely this but what's there enam no instead of befa
your ports
na almananya taxes no kofu di dua motokro na chiri ho
yeah
ehun ma bu na chiri ho elubo ho na no nam ka akwa no we bedrom na oni bi na oba uko store no onu bi na oba uko store ho no uko store no find that na sma mo abehwe
uze odru ba bi e so no say there obi a price no etu price no yatim say we dey atwe fam because and not on the average price
yes
the average price should give you around 1260
right
per the 20 kg no
right
etu wona so bi a ton 1150 1160 say ya ye adwuma bu o ba bi me say ba pedi
man Ghana
see social TV so say catch us on the 6th of March 2025 for full party say basonti eti minister invite you the best that official yaba once eye enam eho adwuma e eti minister na yuwa ebeba no so ababedi ne fufu enti agrek for the body ne banche ene atosode eba na minister so de ne dom the fish no says here who say 60% of the protein every fish would I'll see you go near Yamam stand up by Moduane and say fish soup crana at least yes wenya even yet near your local salmon ne den so so phone ya sha say aye wona no pay to hu ne fefe kama e sure say nyame adwa Thursday next week Thursday na Ghana and fish ada no edu wono bra no be kan ho na fufu party nyina e fan share so ka cho say e tintim pa no hia ne wayoa ohia hwe biem yenka se fesika bi bra ne ohia ne wayoa fo ayoa bra ne bedu fufuo peche eku ahodo so betimi aba na so be ye nyina e kan obom a che se ye wo odo ema ye ho ese Ghana ye ma odo na atena ye ho entem emfa se minister free fantememu emfa se free santememu ye nyina ba ne ye ba bedifu a ye mi se obi aba bia ofri ye mi se obi obi free e yodo ene di edit Ghana edo ene de je fa ho di free kwesi broni feta nsem nti na Adom TV your only TV station man for free edi e wo Ghana eno no it for you abra de bedidi na so ejuwe make out say St Andrews SHS enso enie say yame admu a ye bia konya atum for admission form 1 form 2 form 3 eti oboard ne hostel facilities enyina enso honum fa aba ne bra no besua de no ntimi entwa ne wase no onto aso emfa enkona ne yewo branches ne bi ewo Mankesim new Adobias Shama Dunkono Fe Seshi Asarinta Fe and Kanum Su Epi Ewa ha wait me a phrase 0244 696911 0244 696911 and at 020 789 1004 Naji Inch will be a St. Andrew Senior High School. We are always in the lead. Mamefa, happy 50th birthday, Elko and Fama Yankasa in your penny BBR Raymond or HR department of the multimedia group. Hey, Ray, sir, oh, Papa, wow, a friend, a brother, BBR to me, Raymond. Nyamin Shrao, Yankupon won't shroud. No nyokes. I hope say Barkis my cake no ready. Why? Ma imecha cake no. Na enyefe so happy 50th anniversary to Yankasa Yenua Raymond. A very good man. Ore bia agiro so afutu mu a free Raymond. Afutu elbe mu come say say come to anamo we say ya enka amwa me. You've been a brother to me and I'm much grateful. And then Yankopon say for your life, for your family, you know no year you see any so the kind of leadership or daddy extra. So based on this now so now ya there about mulabre aso boys be try accredit gombo to me ba you the Minister for Fisheries and Aquaculture Honorable Emelia Arthur etwa akumonso bedwam so die e ba say yes some akwa ba emfa bedwam so still on the seat a Minister for Fisheries and Aquaculture Honorable Emelia Arthur and the twetwe komo and once again happy 50th birthday encore enfama yankasa ye HR opani Raymond nyame enhira na onyo kese kopem se obeye kese pa. So minister, back on track, over 2 days automation of premise food why assessment eye ebeboama dede na because see fisheries ministry dede wo hu nyina basically saying how many can be 70% your premise. And I yet I want to name. When you have to say ministry premise back ministry no about them. No. The automation system them buy e
Yo me da say baby say ehwe hen manifesto no ma hen 2024 manifesto na ya papa John Hama kede ye be bo premix no ho ban ye be en hihye a obema premix no obedu afarefu nsem. Basabasa ye wo premix ho no ye be ye hu ye na ye de befa abefu ifidido. So we will try to address the issues around premix through technology.
Okay.
Inti tech dam na ye hen ye kan. Inti me ba ministry ho na me hu there is the premix automation project. Premix automation outlets project. It's being done through technology. So let me describe it.
Okay.
Into asasi be a quarter, maximum a third of a plot. In a office kakrawado osido office no be 7 by 7. In a a tank.
Okay.
Otum for I think 15,000 liters of premix fuel. In a tank no would I share another container to secure it, I think. In a dispenser.
Okay.
So dispenser the modibu.
Okay.
But they also and then there's a 25 kVA generator to power the dispenser, I presume. But they also added some sort of technology into our say we hama kra we register we hama no zama o card to the Ghana card.
Okay.
Into when you know that me hama ohia so many liters of premix. Into the premix aba no gu tank no ma ekwa na de wo card no fam ho a na we bu obe recognize the pofunya or that me hama.
Okay.
Na we bu premix dodo a you are allotted, you are allocated. Okay. So that hopefully embebu premix enyi hiama And our premix more than we hear Madodo ewo. Na wo cohort, na what the price no be to do, na what ton, no one offer. Enti Marco sites, maybe a projects no one, Marco should be no. Now there were 300. What once I can 157. 31 na we were calibrator in the premise go motum a ton. Okay. 80 waka bibi kakra na and so the point is that what once I can 157 okay. Was
out of the 300 now.
Out of the 300 no in your 31 na we
okay.
But in all of this no one handy bibi over ma aban because na aban say or they calibrate ni nyina na make sure the ni nyina yi adwuma
okay
and sana adana mahene hen so yaje in fact me ko apro baby bi wo ho a or there was some ko ho bi no ko ye ni because baby wo ho fence or ho
31 na
enyo okay. I mean not only the 31
okay
ma why wie na e bi so ha why bebre wie I think be 80 ewie but or there ye the premise kogum na wo calibrate ansa na ye hu do ye adwuma but as usual no na ye hwehwe ndamam kakra nti egudo a ye hwehwe sa asem bia anyi ho a ye betua do asem wo ho so a na ye asesem or ye simple
my some say
no obekodo say there are also contractual issues
okay
in your a contract was sign contract into get a contract na no kaka ho but ye be yer suma waye mfaso ama oman Ghana
okay
so on in more ho but premix asem you see e betuma ye technology betuma ye mepede ye bia of course technology no betuma esu ano kakra but nyimpa na the human factor no because even this technology that I have described people who have no business with fishing were able to get cards.
Oh, how?
Inyo, into Okobuno, wako smuggle. Then,
onenye up for
they be, wotuminya card nibi. And see, yebe shembium. Yebe, I mean, and it's a pretty expensive project. And see, yebe.
But Minister, because I know, say, many up for you, media kakrano. Every beach be a cobia, land beach be a cobia. You see a group, a beer, Emeliata and group, Manoma, and any DNA, acquisition and any DNA.
So I want dream pad that Manoma Batam Hopa,
Manoma dear. Sober ministry, and I say, one for Manoma than for.
Oh, trouble.
So many, how can, aside all these groupings, near bit me foreigners in this case say, or more any up for infiltrating.
I can speak of Shama.
Okay.
Because I was there and I saw it. In Crawford, I were managed premix. Oh, yeah, fishermen. And you know why fishermen. I mean, too many things happened. I don't want to sit here and waste time to talk about what happened in the past. But too many. Something was wrong. That is why they voted the way they voted. And so, as much as possible, that lies within my power and ability, and Yankopon Mama Adom, we are going to correct those things. Intino, fitina nansa, ya start the year supply premix. As some of us in there saying premix muye kakra. Premix near BDCs, the bulk distribution companies, near OMCs, oil marketing companies. BDCs in our blend. Wakoji condensate for Ghana gas. My ministry will just introduce them to Ghana gas. That this is a BDC we have approved to blend premix for us. Ghana gas enters into a contractual agreement with them. Into what you condensate, what the petrol, no, what BB oil, marine oil, something. What the frame, what blend what tall.
Yeah.
What blend we are in what the oil marketing companies no obekwa supply ama fisher folks ama hen what we call landing beaches okay supply because premix is a subsidized product. BDC's ne blend we are a cow or that banner tree our friend under recoveries a cow am beto or ya here makor into BDC's na there say yintua hon cow no ne de ohon so premix no or your cash and carry for the OMCs. OMCs fans when you cash now be carry.
Yeah.
It's a chawa na chede.
Obi e pepa na.
Yeah, pepa ma.
And then answer. It is for chono. Na OMC for so pa we mu so chow.
Inyo.
Na before no so pa.
Inyo.
So chow.
Inyo. It's na answer na OMC kur no so wo reserve premise wo ho. Nti anyina kan ya pa ne chawma. We start the war supply. Into premise akunso na fine marines no. From next week ni yebehwe inland for no so. Na mangasa so mekwa pro kakra na meka cho premix ni hyehyɛ ho mra o hyehyɛ premix no ye LI 2233 legislative instrument 2233 article 22 in that LI talks about how premix committees should be set up. Landing beach committees no where patient.
Okay.
Chief fisherman, representative of of canoe owners, representative of fishmongers, representative of the ministry, my ministry, representative of the DCE, secretary and pump attendant. Without those structures in place, we can't supply premix because I don't want to cost one same. What on we are? OMC no brew premix no. At on we and immediately pay him. And my premix on Sanum Kobium because I called the ho.
Yeah.
Into and in there, even this morning, whilst I was even sitting here and getting ready for this program, some of them were calling me. Landing beach committees were calling me. Then what the OMC Niska Kotone account.
Okay.
Fantastic. Area aton premix area no the abandoned price no.
Okay.
And that the places that I monitored no, as much as possible, ordinary fishermen got their premix. Eba na one crack kakra de bebu kuswa one farm. Or yeah, kuna dokra or some of the landing beaches. In one particular landing beach committee, you know, there was a gentleman okita megaphone no announcement and ye ferinya men see her afare for penny yebu premise na mahon and things like that.
Okay.
And you know, I'm hoping that stays. But ye ndagro. Papa John Mahama on ndagro na me ama me be ndagro ni bi ye ndagro. Yeah, what is right for the country. And it's a what on premix ni we are, brother. In faso gwechi because it is subsidized.
Yeah.
In faso no gwechi ni sheshe there. 47% of that profit goes to the landing beach committee. Ebi na wodi tua pump attendant, ebi num for security, wodi tua cow, what the managing dama. But 53% of the profit is for the community. It's for community development. There are places Ekomikrom, Shama, Apo. Ebe hu pufuhina brosan kakra kanse ya asino wodi a chips compound. Or your premix na waton mfaso in Apo dam time premix committee wodi si dam dano.
Okay.
Bentiri wo ho. Shama amena no. Premix no mfaso no omane chefa no wodi to asase. Abra omane nyini ya wo hia school wo Talo Oil Company ho da wo pe school dan. Talo so wo asase wo be school dan ama hon. The asase no wo si school dan si do. Eko biakoye is a biakoye constituency. Premix ne mfaso no. Na what started the WDC one senior high school dining hall.
Okay.
In some communities, the premix and fasono, what is a scholarship fund, what the boy for now wamba school. So the 53% of the profits are oye on managed no. Yen share Emma obi mfa yen huye. As a result of which, I have made a public statement. In the last 8 years, premix are what Tony on managed fasono 53% of our managed chefano. It shall be accounted for. In fact, one chief fisherman has paved the way, has set the pace. He wrote to me as a minister that 53% profit for the community, no, Onopodo referred to only last 4 years, no, okay. Already. So he held an accountability forum on the community. Excuse me. He held an accountability forum on the community. Now, what that chief fisherman did was to get the information of premix fuel supplies awaba ni community hall in the last 4 years. No, calculated 53% profit. No. It came to what can entities kano. It came to 1.5 billion old Ghana cedis. Oh, sorry, J.
That is 15 million new cities.
Oh, sorry, J. Also 1.5 billion.
Yeah. Old cities.
Old cities.
Yeah, that would be 15 million cities.
I don't think so. I don't know. It's also J. So they held an accountability forum, went into the account, and what was there was far less than
1.5.
Yeah, it's also J. And I'm in support. Nyimpakura oton premix no bia nyim hon.
Okay.
The people who sold premix obia nyim hon wo communities no mu. Enti abeje, I'm just waiting for DCEs to be in place, and then we initiate the accountability mechanisms. Just come and account, and we have all the information with National Premix Secretariat.
Okay.
The quantity of premix that went to every community, every landing beach committee, the information is there. And the price at which premix was supposed to be sold, and therefore the profit margin on it, and therefore the 53% that belongs to the community. Ebusia, the Mexican EDC, yedi ye impuntu nkakra. Or to the central government abeye, but central government afa kauni bi wa premix no do.
Yeah.
Ama oba ho amfaso no obenya no. Ono na odo base school dan ba wonfa mfaso no injures school dan na. Owa afa de gu ankutin kotokum. We dey sisi abrosa na nkasa that to cars are pattern or whatever life. You account for it. This is the Fisheries Ministry's own version of oral. Nti your friend the fisheral.
That's how the pedal bonk.
Or your man nesika.
For your papa now so a petition for the past 4 years.
Or not 4 years.
Or no land or no community.
No. Or calculate
1.5 billion.
Them no say. Menu enhu. Them no can. Inyo. Nti yebehwe. Yebeje.
Wow. Any accountability?
Oh, accountability. It's not right.
Is it going to be a committee that be invited or more for that discussion, Yana?
Yebehwe me trainer DC is the number.
Okay.
Yes, I shall honase. Now the mechanism at home. To the Adom campo.
Are you okay? Uber across Badwam say based on specific
everywhere that premix went.
All the landing beaches.
All the landing beaches that premix went in the last 4 to 8 years. Everywhere that premix went. In fact, another person, from in the Nansenya, there, premix account no, or money chefa account no, siko no, the outgone people, still signatories to the account. Akomuna Nansenya ko inyo. And so you see, when things like this are going on, and we are trying to clean the system, and you have people coming out to say that we are sacking people and things. Look, let me give you another example of people that of positions that we have cancelled.
Okay.
Premix, Ofitoa, or straight to Landing Beach Committee. I want a thanks no. So tell me why we need a regional premix coordinator, a district premix coordinator, a zonal premix coordinator, or yabade. Orishia tank no kwan wa him the premix gum ana or measure or yabade.
Accountability.
A him fatty.
Accountability.
A him fatty. See, the thing is this: the track that is leaving tour.
Yeah. There's
a tour official there who has given. I have it on my phone since yesterday. As the tanks are moving, premix coordinator is updating me.
Okay.
Ofitoa, premix coordinator nyim there, tank here to efiha, and OMCs. So I met with them and I told them, if your premix is your tank is supposed to move from here to there.
Okay.
We know how long it should travel. It will take. Yeah, you create tracking systems. Although if you have Kodura, all them company, you are blacklisted. And lift premix view.
And some more. Minister, better say.
No. And you know, premix no ofito, all straight to London Beach.
Zonal coordinators no cancel.
Yeah, cancel no. But this is what we did. If they would tell the truth, because I've seen one of them do some social post to be.
Yeah.
We call them National Premix Coordinator Administrator. Called them all to a meeting and told them that the new regime the system we are putting in place, we will not require these positions.
Okay.
But you'll be paid your February salary for doing nothing, and you'll be paid your March salary as severance. Then you're done biom. About the problem na pele why that got na Facebook na. Meanwhile no regional adenedi no accountability no me fro wo ho a
asembeba. Honorable Emelia, Minister for Fisheries and Aquaculture, and Republican and Sammy Enkomo on Badwam. Medeni akwesi is Yamika nyina ho. Koso FOFD to Adom TV. Background.